Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to start a digital marketing agency. So this one is the easiest way. First, you have to choose a specific service. Don't do everything. Start with one high demand service. For example, these are the following that you can use. So social media, Facebook, Instagram ads, YouTube automation, SEO, short form content editing. So we will be picking the social media. And then after that, you have to pick a target market like local restaurants, real estate agents, fitness coaches, and so on. So we will be choosing real estate agents. So basically, we'll be creating an agency through social media, and that way we will be creating a Facebook page. Now you can ask ChatGPT to generate samples of real estate agency names. Sorry for the mistake of spelling. Okay, so once generated, you can pick professional and corporate. So there are tons of choices here. So for example, I will be picking the Summit Edge Realty. So we're going to create a Facebook page. We'll be getting some clients through this Facebook page for this agency. So for visual, you need CapCut, Canva, Meta Ads Manager. So basically, if you want to create ads or if you want to promote your products or your, let's just say, agency, you can just basically use AI tools or any platforms like Gemini AI, ChatGPT, Canva, CapCut. So we'll be promoting a video, it's like an ads, and then we're going to use Canva to make or to create a video or visual. So create a design, go to Canva, tap on create design, go to shorts. Let's just say this one is for Facebook shorts or reels, let's just say. So basically, just type Facebook and then you can search for anything. So for example, Facebook post, got this one. And this is the ratio or the size. So this is what it looks like. Now here in Canva, you can tap on template if you look for template or element if you want to add here objects, people, let's just say graphics, videos, and so on. So type real estate, you can tap on video and then double tap or drag at the video here in the blank page. That this is background. You have to wait for a couple of seconds. And then once it's clear, then you can now tap on add text. You can add the script right here. So we have generated a script using ChatGPT. Now what we're going to do here is just copy it and paste. And then here in Canva, you can change font style, font size, font color. So tap this one right here and then paste. And again, you can change the font color or the font style, text style. You can even add a text to this one. And then you can just basically place it anywhere here in the video. Okay. So if you want to generate voice or do the text to speech, you can use 11 maps for that. You can use CapCut or you can also use the audio generate AI voice here in Canva. But take note, you need to be a pro user. Like you need to upgrade your Canva into Pro in order for you to unlock this element. Okay, so generating AI voice, tap on generate AI voice and then add it right here. You can edit this video, adjust the uh, voice or the audio. After that, copy again the script, go back to Canva, and then generate again the AI voice. Okay, so once done, you can adjust it right here. Okay, and if you want to add more videos, just tap on add blank page, go back to elements, search for a specific word, and then add it right here. Okay. So you can also look for graphics if you want. And it's the same thing. Once done, tap on share and before and then download. Okay. So once it's ready, then you can now go back to your Facebook page. So this time, in order for us to promote our product or our business, then we can create a Facebook page. This one serves as our agency. So once you have your video right here or once you have your ads, then you can now focus on creating your page that serves as your real estate agency. So since you have built a simple portfolio like the videos, you can improve a real business content if you want or run small ads if you want. Now go to your Facebook and then go to pages, create page right here, and then create a page name. So basically, you have to look for the specific name right here. Make sure that this one is applicable or available. Then you can change that. So as you can see, it's not advisable or they will not allow this name. So you have to change that and then add whatever you want here. And also, while thinking of the best name for your agency or for your page, you can also generate a bio for your page and you can ask ChatGPT for that. Okay, so this is the name right here. So for category, you have to look for real estate and then add the bio. Create page, tap this create page right here, and then after that, you can now add more information about your page, about your agency. You can add the contact number, you can also add location, then available hours. So let me say always open. And then you can add profile picture and cover photo. You can use Canva in creating your profile picture and cover photo. You can add your WhatsApp right here and then you can turn or toggle on page notifications. Once done, then you should see this. So this is just an example. You can make it more beautiful and captivating. But once you have your page or your agency here, you can now add or upload your video or your ad. And this is what it looks like. So feel free to add captions, strong captions, change the audience if you want, tag and collaborate if you want, and then you just have to simply edit everything. So you have to wait for a couple of seconds, and then once done, you should see your ads, your video right here. People will see this, people will go to your pages, and basically, this is the easiest way to start a digital marketing agent. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorial.